this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger something went wrong, please try again. Yes, this could be a quite problem for you, but don't worry about it, we are here to help you out and reach our main point. Firstly, when you get up onto that problem, you need simply to take off from your application, you need to go to your settings on your phone, and then when you get there, you need to go for applications, and on the search box you need to type for the application. In this case it is Messenger. Just type Messenger and go on that side section. When you get right over there, you're gonna be available to take up and simply go clear that cake and clear that full session on it. You can go, for example, for storage, and here guys you're gonna see that you have clear cake. You're gonna firstly clear all the cake on that side, and then you're gonna go for clear data, and then you're gonna go OK, and it will include all file settings, accounts and databases which are gonna be reinstalled or redeleted. Because you have done that, you need also to take over on that permission sites right over here, because as you can see, no permission is available right now. You need to take off all these setups, and with this you're gonna check up. And now I hope this will help you to get up to fix this problem.